So I'm back on the orange element again and again and again. I'm actually looking for another one. I am watching one on Copart, another orange one. I don't know, it's just like I got good luck with orange ones, even though I just had two. So we go deep dive into cleaning this thing because it is nasty. When I say deep cleaning, I'm gonna pull everything out except the dashboard. I'm taking the seats out. I want to say carpet, but it's just the rubber mat. Everything is coming out. Even some of the paneling inside is coming out because I want to get all the way down to the actual frame, not the, yeah, you could say the floor of the car, to scrub it, clean it. It doesn't smell. It did smell, but I had put an ozone machine in there for a few days and then let it air out. So I'm gonna show you guys how bad this is. Some people are like, oh, it's not that bad. I mean, I've seen worse, actually a way worse, but we're gonna show you this. All right, so there will be before and after pictures. I'm gonna try to make this thing look new as possible. Yeah, so back to tell you what I'm gonna do. Basically take all the seats out, pull the rug out, the floor, and scrub it down, disinfect everything, door panels. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the door panels off yet. I probably will if I have time, because the driver's side doesn't roll down. I don't know if it's a switch problem or what. On my element, one of the first videos that I did, I replaced the actuator in the passenger side door because it didn't roll down, and now it's starting to do it again where it won't. I can hear it click, but it won't roll down. On the orange element, it doesn't even click. It doesn't do anything for the driver's side. The passenger side rolls down just fine. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and just rob this one and put it in mine, or because I'm pretty sure I have to buy 2 more regulators. All right, let's get started.
place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down myself.